And welcome back. Well, yeah, this is out at Duncan Lake this afternoon. It was another warm one across the viewing area, but we had some people out and enjoying the nice conditions, nicer than yesterday. We didn't have any rain move on through. We just had some clouds. Overall, not too bad. Just some of those high clouds moving up from the south and from the east. A few showers try to get ongoing as well. Really nothing too much. Told you there's a very slight chance today of some of those showers, but of course we didn't expect too much. Here's our almanac. 93 degrees for today. 68 was our low this morning. Here are our normal lows and highs. So again, we're kind of near our average lows, but still relatively high or warm for this time of year. We're going to stay that way throughout the rest of your work week. And no precipitation today. Still sitting about 6.5 inches above average for this time of year. Lows for tonight, winds out of the east-southeast, temperatures cooling on off into the lower 70s. We could have some upper 60s mainly to the north and to the east, where they should be a little bit more clearer than some of these clouds that are staying around with us. And for your Wednesday, that's a word you never like to see. Sweltering heat just kind of staying over us. Again, that high pressure is just built on in that ridge, just sitting over us, really not moving at all. That's what's dissipated any shower or thunderstorm activity we've had today. Now continue on throughout the rest of your work week. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies, temperatures remaining in the mid to lower 90s. So much like today, just kind of a repeat. Winds will still be pretty calm out of the east-southeast and just warm overall. And we're still talking our heat index values between 100 to 105 degrees. Now, once again, the good news is we should not approach heat advisory limits, so we should not see any of those issued for our viewing area. We really don't have any issued right now, though, across the entire state. So we're liking that. Still, it's going to be hot outside. Of course, you need to stay hydrated if you do plan on going outside as well. Take an umbrella with you, find some shade. Here are some of that shower activity we had ongoing. Really, nothing too much. Not enough to really register on our almanac. You can see down to the south, nothing either. So these are just very, very little spotty showers that go up and just are really going to rain themselves out. Could have a few rumbles of thunder along with it, but we just don't expect too much from this. We'll clear on out as we go on throughout the overnight hours into your Wednesday, halfway through the work week. And again, much like today, clear skies, a chance for some afternoon convection popping up during peak heating. That would be 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the afternoon and evening. We're not, again, expecting anything, maybe some heavy downpours, and that would be about it. All right, so let's switch gears and take a look at what we have upcoming for a little bit of relief. So one, that 70-degree temperature we saw yesterday as we go into Sunday, it's no longer there. Data kind of came in and just wiped that out. I told you it'd probably change, and of course it did. We start looking at a little bit of a cool down, but we're also watching a little bit of development right now, potentially near the Bahamas. So this little system right here is it has about a 30% chance of development into at least a tropical depression. And right now, the Hurricane Center potentially has it moving into the Gulf of Mexico over the weekend, bringing us a better chance of some rain, which will be nice overall. That'll also help cool us down with all that cloud cover. But again, this is what we're watching. I'm not saying it's going to be a hurricane or anything. I'm not saying it's going to be a tropical storm. We're saying this is a little bit of a tropical system that we're watching and potentially has the chance to kind of impact us as going into the weekend, bringing us a chance of rain. That's really what we're going to see on your 7-day forecast. Here's a little bit better description of it. Again, potential development zone later on this week. Right here across the Gulf. So your forecast brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. As we extend this on out, temperatures remain in the 90s until we get into Sunday when those showers and thunderstorms will start to arrive.